3 best free video editing software for Windows PC. So if you want the 3 best free video editing software for your Windows PC, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Microsoft Store at first. After opening your Microsoft Store, now you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Clipchamp. After searching, this is the Microsoft Clipchamp. So you just need simply go with open, and if it has not been installed, then you just need simply go with install and it will be installed. After installing, you'll be able to use this video editing software for your Windows PC, and it's also the best video editing software. And after that, the second one is CapCut. You can also install CapCut from your Microsoft Store. So open up your Microsoft Store and you can go with search, and under search, you can search for CapCut, and it's also free. You can go with install, which is right here, and after that it will be installed. You can go with update if you have any updates. So in my case, I've already installed. I have the CapCut application and use it. It's also the best free video editing software for your Windows PC. And after that, the third one is DaVinci Resolve. So if you don't find it on your Microsoft Store, then you can also go with your browser and you'll be able to install the application, which is DaVinci Resolve. You can search for DaVinci Resolve download, and here you can scroll down and then go with the Windows section. Here you will have download in Windows. You need to click on it and it will be installed. I also have the application, so it looks like this. So these were the 3 best free video editing software for your Windows PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.